Bruce, it's been wonderful to be with you today here in Conway, and we enjoyed the worship services immensely. And looking forward to being together in Athens in just a couple of weeks. And so I wanted to just spend just a moment, just as a means of being able to get the word out to others about what you will be speaking on Monday night. Tell us something about the lecture you're going to present.
My lecture will be on taking his hand as we try to help each other home. And we're going to be talking about dependence on God. And one of the things I'm really excited about this lecture concerning is the fact that the more we understand our dependence on God, the more we come to know who God is. So we will be dealing with Him being our creator, Him being the revealer of all truth, Him being our redeemer and transforming our lives. And I really do look forward to it.
Great. Well, I know the manuscript is wonderful, and we have enjoyed having you in that key position and look forward to your presentation.
I look forward to it as well. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, sir.